table first. We'll check it out in a bit. So on the remote, you have the power, mute, Bluetooth, volume up and down, back, forward, track, and pause. And then input, line 1, line 2, optical, and coax. Very, very simple. And I like that. Proprietary cable to connect the left and right channel. Very, very long, if you notice. You can definitely put this left and right very far away from each other. S1000 Mkii optical cable. Again, you do have those batteries there, and then you also have an RCA to 3.5mm converter. That's it. So pretty good, right? You already have the cables that you need. Let me just remove this. Oh, wow. You do have high-res audio badge, and this is the right side, right? I'm gonna open up the other side. From the back, you do have the volume dial input selection, right? So you can feel a little bit of resistance, kind of like there's like points, there's grooves, right? But it's like an infinity knob. You do have treble 1 to 6, so -6, +6. By default, it's on 0 on the middle. So if you want to lower it down, turn it left or anti-clockwise, and then you turn it clockwise if you want to increase it. You of course have the bass on the bottom there, as you can see. Of course, power button there, or power switch on off. You have analog inputs here. Again, S1000 Mkii Mark IIs, powered bookshelf speakers, left, right, line in. That's where our RCA connectors are for. You also have the optical connection. Again, they also provided optical cable for that, which again I really love because that's the one that I'm going to use. You of course have the coaxial connection, and then this is the speaker out, right, where the proprietary connection will go. Again, it's kind of like an XLR there, but you're going to connect it, and it's going to go to the other speaker. So on this other speaker, I believe it doesn't have anything but just that speaker out. So let's go ahead and unwrap it, check it out. Let me go ahead and install this, and then we can do some sound tests afterwards.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had too many dreams, when you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put in all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night, and there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, really bright, that's a thing.
But yeah, that is the Edifier S1000 Mark IIs, right? Now, the good thing about this is they are on sale, right? Again, this is actually a pretty old speaker. If you notice, there's, Edifier has been around for quite some time. And I believe they already released S1000W. It's not 1000 watts, right? But it's 1000 wireless version, which is actually pretty cool. However, I believe that sells around $400, right? Which is still expensive. If you're gonna hook it up to your computer, like a desk one, I don't think you really need wireless because there, you can just, you have PC, right? You can just like use your browser or Spotify or whatever. But of course, again, for wireless, there's an option like that. Now this one, I just I was able to purchase it in around $200. $200. That is actually a steal, right? It's a very, very good deal because I believe, again, this is US dollars, right? 200 US dollars, around 10,000 pesos, because of the Black Friday, right? Cyber Monday deals. So go ahead and check it out. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, of this speaker, right? I just purchased this on my own money. So Edifier, if you're watching this, hit me up. I'm here. But I love your products. And as you can see, I do use the Edifier G2000. I use a couple of headphones and earbuds. And now I'm loving this Edifier S1000 Mark II. So final overall thoughts about the audio before I end this video. Again, I think for the price, right, especially now that it's on sale, it's just ridiculously amazing. The build quality of this, as you probably can see right now, it's just bananas, right? It's really, really good. It looks like an old school, handcrafted, amazing Wi-Fi or hi-fi stuff, which is actually what it is, right? It's all wood and it's really, really looking good. I love the leather finish as well on the middle part, and then the grill. The grill is like so much better than the typical grill that you're seeing in lower, budget price, because they just slap, like a grill, like an ugly looking grill, a plastic grill. But the grill of this is really looking amazing. You already heard the sound test, so you can just let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are. But for me, I just love how big the sound stage, right, if you call it that way. It's just two speakers, but of course, given that the office that I have is pretty small, it's just like filling the entire room. It's ridiculous. And because of the power of this, which is 125 watts, um, it's actually just, I'm just using 40%. Again, if you heard on the sound test, I'm just using 40% of this. I cannot really even go half or even, of course, max this because it's just so damn loud. If you're thinking that purchasing the lower version like 1700 BTS and then just buying like a T5 subwoofer is better, it might seem it's better because of the the bass that's going to give you, but all that it's giving you is just like the feeling of the bass, right? But the clarity, the quality of the actual audio is not really going to be on par with the S1000, S2000, 3000. So if you're listening to, if you're kind of like a bass head, right, you prefer bassy stuff or something a thumpy, what you can do is just maximize the bass of it, like what I actually did. After maximizing it, I even lowered it down a little bit because it's too bassy already. It's really, really good. It beats my G2000 with the subwoofer and additional speaker in it. Right, I don't need a subwoofer for this. It's so damn bassy already. It's so much. So that's my overall thoughts for it. But again, let me know down in the comments below if you have some questions, if you have any suggestion. But that's all for today, guys. Subscribe to the channel if if you wanted to see more, and this unboxing and review might help you in your purchase decision. But that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you on my next one. Peace.